In the world of mining, safety is paramount. Surface and underground mines are busy, hazardous environments where the risk of collisions, accidents, and potential loss of life is a daily reality. Epiroc, always aware of these risks, in response designed the Titan product range. The Titan product range is a collision avoidance system with vehicle-to-vehicle, vehicle-to-pedestrian, and vehicle-to-hazard functionality. Understanding that one sensing technology doesn't fit all scenarios, machines, or mining environments, the Titan system integrates a variety of in-house developed sensing technologies. Our sensing technologies include GPS, ultra-wideband time of flight, magnetic field sensing, and artificial intelligence cameras with object detection usable on surface and underground mines. A high-performance CAN FD bus is used as the communication protocol of the system, ensuring reliable high-speed communication that is future-proof. The system is flexible and can be tailored by adding the required sensors on the CAN FD bus to suit different applications, mining environments, and vehicle sizes, ensuring a fit-for-purpose solution. Dynamic zoning plays a crucial role in balancing safety and productivity. This is achieved by adjusting the detection zone sizes according to vehicle speed. When the vehicle is stationary, the smallest zone size, called the prohibit zone, is active. The Commander HMI 100 efficiently manages and controls mining equipment access. With license management capabilities, it controls equipment access, integrates with operator time and attendance cards, offers traceability and fingerprint verification. The system is fail-to-safe and continuously monitors all subsystems and sensors for proper functioning. Vehicle test stations can be deployed at strategic locations to collect data from vehicles and report the status of the system to a central server. Access can be controlled by these test stations to ensure only fully operational systems are allowed in controlled areas. As the LHD approaches a crosscut, the system's advanced vehicle detection safety features engage. This mechanism automatically prompts the LHD's operator to slow down and stop, ensuring no collision and the safe crossing of the ADT. As the dump truck approaches a light-duty vehicle, the system's advanced dovetailing safety features engage. Dovetailing involves the dump truck adjusting its speed to merge smoothly with the LDV while maintaining a safe distance. This mechanism automatically prompts the dump truck's operator to slow down, ensuring a secure and appropriate gap during the approach. Battery-powered sensors enable vehicles to still send and receive RF signals, as well as GPS coordinates, when the vehicle operates on surface, to ensure that vehicles can be detected even when switched off, adding an extra layer of safety. An LHD equipped with the Titan systems detects a pedestrian with a Pulse 130 tag, prompting the machine to slow down and ensure a safe crossing. When pedestrians wear Pulse 150 tags, the system detects their proximity, alerting operators and pedestrians, thereby reducing the risk of accidents. This remarkable technology adds an extra layer of safety, protecting everyone in the mining environment. The RDT equipped with an Oculus 100 AI camera detects a pedestrian without a Pulse 150 tag. The camera system uses advanced object detection and artificial intelligence that recognizes the pedestrian, prompting the machine to slow down and ensure a safe crossing. Zone beacons can be set to activate systems features on mining machines when entering specific areas with designated rules and precautions. As the LHD enters the designated workshop zone, its speed is automatically reduced as a result of the zone beacons. The fail-to-safe feature ensures mining safety by applying motion inhibit to ensure a vehicle cannot be used in the case of equipment failure, and prompting technical support to be contacted in case of a broken or damaged sensor, addressing potential issues proactively. Operational data is securely logged and stored on the system's solid-state memory, enabling efficient monitoring and analysis. Technicians can easily access this valuable information wirelessly using mobile devices or PCs, streamlining performance assessment, trend identification, and maintaining safety and efficiency. Epiroc's Command Suite provides comprehensive management of machine operational data. The flexible reporting system can be used to improve traffic management by identifying high-risk areas where there are higher than normal interactions. It can also be used for tracking, infringement reports, and utilization with user-friendly and customizable dashboards. Explore Epiroc's groundbreaking advancements in mine safety, enabling companies to enhance safety, productivity, and profitability.